Music with Mr. Alex.
Hi everybody, Mr. Alex here, and today we're visiting my good friend Farmer Alex in the hopes that he might tell us a little bit about Thanksgiving. We'll say, let's see if we can get his attention. Hey Farmer Alex!
Whoa. 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 Oh, dang blasted chickens done knocked me out of my own barn. Oh. Hello there, Mr. Alex. I didn't notice you standing there. What can I do for you?
Well, Farmer Alex, I was hoping that you might tell us what makes Thanksgiving so special.
Oh, Thanksgiving, you say? I love Thanksgiving. It's the one time of year you can get together with all your friends and family and reflect on all of the things that you're thankful for. Say, Mr. Alex, what are you thankful for?
Well,
I'm thankful for all my friends and the times that we spend laughing and playing and singing fun songs. Keeps me really happy all day long.
I'm thankful for my big farm. From the cows to the barn, they help me grow all the food for the town, so no one will be hungry all year round. I'm thankful for Mr. Owl. He is such a great pal. He keeps me singing
and keeps me well fed.
That is why you're one of my best friends.
a singing cow?
He's more of a harmonizer.
What, never sings moolity?
Only in the key of B flat.
What, are you singing Moog Solidian scales or something?
Oh, I think now you're milking it.
All right. What, not a fan of music theory?
What if I wasn't? Would I named him Mozart? Oh, take it away.
I'm thankful for family and all that they do for me. For Mama Milk Cow and Papa Steer, you are the ones that I hold dear.
Whatever you're thankful for,
Friends,
food,
family,
or more, we're thankful for you and just want to say, have a happy Thanksgiving Day.
Jim with Coach Chris.
Hey guys, Coach Chris here. Happy Harvest Week. This week I think I want to teach you guys how to do a little bit of a stretch to get ready for our turkey trot. So here we go. We're going to do 10 jumping jacks first. Let's count them out. Hopefully you're with your family. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And stop. And arms are up. Then we're going to touch our toes. Let's count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms up. Let's see if we can balance. Let's put our hands on a chair, or on our dad, or on our mom, and then pull our leg back. And I'm going to turn so you can see what it looks like. It looks just like this. Turn back and down. And let's try the other leg. And down and arms up. And let's reach to one side, try to grab whatever's over there, grab it, and reach to the other side. And give one stretch down. Let's count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give your body a shake. Give a little bit of a run. And freeze. All right, that was our warm-up. And later on in the month, we're gonna get ready for a turkey trot run. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Kitchen with Miss Sheena and Mr. Pierce.
Hi, and welcome to Kitchen Little. I'm Chef Sheena, and I'm going to show you how to make a healthy snack today. This is actually something that I love to eat for breakfast. So we have a few ingredients here. We have apples, blueberries, cinnamon, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and a little maple syrup. So I have a half an apple here that I'm gonna show you how to dice up really quickly. So I'm just gonna cut this in half, just like that. And I'm gonna remove the seeds, the core, and then take that quarter piece and then cut it into 3 pieces. And depending on how big or small you want your dices, I'm just gonna cut those into halves. And then I will dice them all up, just like that. And into the bowl they go. Now, I'm gonna add a little more that I have already diced up. I also have some yummy blueberries here, which is a great source of antioxidants. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of those in. I have some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds. Now you can use anything that you like at home. Sometimes I like to use walnuts or hemp seeds or chia seeds, whatever you like. You can really go crazy and add any kind of fruit, nuts, or seeds that you like. I'm also gonna add some cinnamon in here because cinnamon is delicious, and a little maple syrup inside. Maple syrup is a great natural sweetener, and I'm just gonna give it a nice little stir. And this is one of my favorite yummy raw breakfast cereals that I love to have in the morning. It really gets my day going and gives me lots of energy. And there you have it. Super simple and super yummy.